Now in our day-to-day life, electricity plays a very important role. We cannot lead our life without electricity now. Okay, but we have to be very careful when we are using all these appliances. Okay, now let us see what are the precautions we have to take so that we can avoid overloading and we can avoid short circuit in your houses. Okay, the hazards which are created by the electricity. Precautions to be taken to avoid overloading. First one is live wire and neutral wire should not touch each other. When you are joining any of the wires, never join both the wires. We get always double wires. Yes, those double wires should be always connected separately. Never join them and put them in the same plug. Okay, that will create short circuit. Then heavy load appliances should not be used at a time. For example, water pumping machine, AC, then washing machines, mixer should not be on at a time. Okay, I am not telling that every time it causes some problems, but there are chances of overloading during such times. Then do not connect too many appliances to a single socket. We get that 3-pin socket, so 3-way socket, front, up and down. But it is better not to use those sockets, all the appliances at a time working with that sockets. That will create sometime overloading. Then do not use faulty appliances. If the appliances are having any defects, never use such appliances without repairing. Okay, that will create short circuit or overloading of the electricity. Remove the plugs while lighting. When not in use, for example iron box, mixers, after the use, immediately remove them and keep. And during lightning and thundering and raining, okay, just remove the TV plugs and computer plugs so that you can avoid overloading and short circuits in your houses. Okay, so these are some of the precautions we have to take. Along with that, live wire, the earthing wire, fuse and stabilizers are also necessary so that our house is protected from hazards caused by the electricity. Okay, hope that the children, this lesson is over now. I hope that maximum points are clear. If you have any doubts, you can send me to my WhatsApp number the questions, or you can write down all the questions, and once the school reopens we can discuss those questions. Now along with this, I am sending even the exercise question answers also. Okay, write down everything, the whole notes you have to keep it ready before the school reopens. Okay, then by Monday I am starting the next lesson. Another 2 days I am giving exercise. Tomorrow I am giving the exercise, and again I am sending a link which contains a small quiz or questionnaire on this lesson only. You solve it, you correct it. It will be corrected by itself. Then it will be a revision like the whole chapter. Then Monday I am starting with the next chapter, that is light, reflection and refraction. Okay, thank you everybody. Thank you all the children.